Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ranjit Pawar holding this video on the topic of Introduction to JavaScript. In web development, HTML is the basic building block that can be used to develop basic web pages, which can have hyperlinks, images, forms, tables, etc. Then comes CSS, which is used for styling the various HTML elements. CSS is a standard for providing a styling to your HTML elements, and these days no website is created without it. Then comes JavaScript, which is a scripting language used for handling and validating client-side data, making web pages dynamic based on the events, enabling features like cookies, local storage, etc. and lot more. So in this video, we will see Introduction to JavaScript. The learning outcome is Introduction to JavaScript. At the end of this topic, you will be able to learn the history of JavaScript, features or the advantages of JavaScript, limitations of JavaScript, and some platforms where we can use JavaScript. In the history of JavaScript, Mark Andreessen, founder of Netscape Communication, had the vision that the web needed a way to become more dynamic. Animations, interactions, and other form of small automation should be the part of website of a future. So, the website needed a small scripting language. HTML still young and simple enough for non-developers to develop websites. So, whatever was the part of browser to make the web more dynamic should be accessible to the non-programmers. And so, the idea of Mocha was born. Mocha was to become a scripting language for the web, simple, dynamic, and accessible to non-developers. JavaScript was developed by Braden Eich in 1995. He was a programmer at Netscape. Earlier, JavaScript is named Mocha and later named as LiveScript, and then it is converted as JavaScript. It is said that Braden had developed JavaScript in 10 days only. JavaScript is the most popular and widely used client-side scripting language. Client-side scripting refers to scripts that run within your web browser. JavaScript is one of the three core languages used to develop websites. Whereas HTML and CSS give a website structure and style, JavaScript is a scripting language that lets developers to develop interactive and dynamic websites. According to a recent survey conducted by Stack Overflow, JavaScript is most popular language on earth in the development of websites. Then, what are the features of JavaScript? The first feature is JavaScript is a primarily client-side language, meaning it runs on your computer within your browser. However, more recently, the introduction of Node.js has allowed JavaScript to execute code on servers. The second feature is lightweight. JavaScript is lightweight scripting language because it is made for data handling at the browser level only. Since it is not a general purpose language, so it has a limited set of libraries. Third feature, that is called, it is dynamically typed. JavaScript supports dynamic typing, which means types of variables are defined based on stored values. For example, if you declare a variable x, then you can store either a string or a number type value. This is known as dynamic typing. The next feature is object-based language. JavaScript is object-based scripting language that provides built-in objects such as string, math, date, etc. The next more important, that is platform independent. This implies that JavaScript is platform independent, or we can say it is portable, which simply means that you can simply write a script once and run it anywhere and anytime. In general, you can write your JavaScript applications and run them on any platform or any browser without affecting the output of the script. The next is, it is interpreted. JavaScript is interpreted language, which means the script written inside JavaScript is processed line by line and is not compiled before execution. These scripts are interpreted by JavaScript interpreter, which is built-in component of the web browser. The next is asynchronous. JavaScript can be used to do complex processing asynchronously, which means that the whole page will not have to wait for the JavaScript processing, and once the script processing completes, we can easily modify HTML code to show or hide data. The last one is, it is case sensitive. JavaScript have more advantages. The first is less server interaction. Means you can validate user input before sending the page off to the server. This saves server traffic, which means the less load on the server. The second advantage is what? Immediate feedback to the visitors. They don't have to wait for the page reload to see if they have forgotten to enter something. The third one, that is increased interactivity. You can create interfaces that react when the user hovers over the objects with the mouse or activates them via the keyboard. The next is richer interfaces. You can use JavaScript to include such items as drag and drop components and sliders to give a rich interface to your site visitors. The other advantages are build dynamic web pages, display alert boxes, write messages to the browser status bar, control features of the browser, open new browser window, customize reactions to mouse actions and keystrokes, validate information in forms, perform calculations, display messages when the cursor rolls over an object, create interactive forms, set date and time, and identify browsers and browser plugins such as Flash. JavaScript have some limitations also. Client-side JavaScript does not allow the reading or writing of files. This has been kept for security reason. The next is JavaScript cannot be used for networking applications because there is no such support available. JavaScript does not have any multi-threading or multiprocessor capabilities. Once again, JavaScript is lightweight interpreted programming language that allows you to build interactivity into otherwise static HTML pages. JavaScript cannot write server-side applications called Common Gateway Interface applications, which must be written using the languages such as Java, ASP, Perl, and PHP. JavaScript cannot read information from web page that resides on the domain different from a domain where JavaScript resides. Here we can see the different platforms for JavaScript. First is web applications. With technology, browsers have improved to the extent that a language was required to create robust web applications. When we explore a map in a Google Maps, then we only need to click and drag the mouse. All detailed view is just click away, and this is possible only because of JavaScript. It uses application program interfaces that provides extra power to the code. The next is server applications. With the help of Node.js, JavaScript made it way from client to server, and Node.js is the most powerful on the server side. Games. Not only in the websites, JavaScript also helps in creating game for leisure. The combination of JavaScript and HTML5 makes JavaScript popular in a game development as well. It provides an EaseJS library which provides solutions for working with rich graphics. Also, we can use it in smartwatches. JavaScript is being used in all possible devices and applications. It provides a library, Pebble.js, which is used in smartwatch applications. This framework works for applications that require the internet for its functioning. Then in the area of art, artists and designers can create whatever they want using JavaScript to draw on HTML canvas, make sound more effective. Also can be used p5.js library, and it can be used in machine learning also. This JavaScript ml5.js library can be used in web development by using machine learning.